Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this video, I just want to mix it up and show you what I'm spending money on for AI tools every month, which AI tools I'm buying, and also my reasoning behind this investment in AI tools to help move my business forward. Now, if you appreciate this type of transparency and content, I would appreciate you subscribing to my channel at AI Insider Tips, where I spend hours just trying to provide as much valuable content as I can for you guys in the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. So diving back in here, I made a simple Google sheet just so you guys can see what I'm spending money on, what tools, and also my reasoning in each column. So first off, here's ChatGPT Plus. So one question I hear all the time is, well, why should I buy ChatGPT Plus when I can just use the free version and also pair it with Bing Chat or the Microsoft Image Creator? And while those are valid, arguments, I'm just going to open up my ChatGPT Plus account here with a subscription to ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month. And if you are using this tool every day, then I would suggest just purchasing the Plus plan. They are off the wait list now, so you can go in and buy ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month. And just a few reasons here, guys. Number one is the DALL-E 3 image creation. So I have a lot of examples here on the left. So this is for a technology website and YouTube channel that I run. You'll see this is what DALL-E 3 created for a featured image for a blog post. You can use it to create YouTube thumbnails. I believe I had some other ones here. So here's an example of one I used in a blog post. Very high quality images that DALL-E 3 can create. And most notably, the text inside is spelled correctly and also looks great. Not a lot of free AI text-to-image generators can create the type of quality that you do see in DALL-E 3 image generation. So that's number one, is the integration of DALL-E 3 with that $20 a month plan. I don't need to go and purchase another AI text-to-image generator. So that's part of my justification there. Also, guys, too, you do get access to these custom GPTs, which were released by OpenAI during their dev day about a month and a half ago. I'm anticipating the official store to come out hopefully next year, Sam Altman announced, so I'm curious to see what that's going to be. But I do find myself using these custom GPTs every so often for content creation, content writing, and just other forms of ideation, image generation. I just really like the ability to go in here and create my own custom GPT, find what others are using, and I just really like custom GPTs personally. So that's another benefit too. And you also get access to the GPT-4 language model. You do get this on Bing Chat as well, but the outputs are not as good as they are inside the ChatGPT Plus interface, and I promise you that. The plugins, you also get access to plugins with ChatGPT Plus. You do not get that in the free plan. And to be completely transparent, guys, the GPT 3.5 language model is terrible. It's not updated. It's out of date. Some of the answers that I get and outputs that I receive from GPT 3.5 just don't make any sense at all. And I would suggest not using 3.5 at all. I would suggest using Bing Chat, where you can get GPT-4, before I would use 3.5. There's just a lot better language models out there now. So that's my first tool, is ChatGPT Plus, just really for all-in-one. Images, short-form content, long-form content, custom GPTs, ideation. There's so much that you can do with ChatGPT Plus. The next tool is WriteSonic. Now, I am on the $19 a month plan on a month-by-month basis, so I am currently testing out WriteSonic. Now, this isn't a tool that I've had for a year. I'm always testing new AI tools to see what can work for my business. And why I do like WriteSonic here is it has what this tool called AI Article Writer 5.0. So if you're trying to write a high quality one-off blog post, not bulk content creation, just a one-off blog post, this is a great tool for that. You can add reference articles here. So if there's articles ranking for a keyword on the first page of Google that you want to rank for, you can input up to 3 articles, I believe, where it then scrapes those articles and tries to formulate content to beat out the competition in that given keyword. You can also search for topics here. You can upload reference files, so PDFs, documents, anything you want this tool to scrape and use for its content output, you can do that. The other benefit of WriteSonic here is what I like are the brand voices. Now, if I go back to WriteSonic, it also has a bulk generate feature, brand voice. So brand voice, I'm not going to get into this here, but I actually have one for AI Insider Tips, where I have my own AI brand voice. And I've actually used this to create articles on my website at AIinsidertips.com. Where I think this is a differentiating factor here of Writesonic to other tools is this brand voice feature where you can have your own brand voice when creating content versus it just scraping off the internet like GPT does and all these other AI tools without a given brand voice. So I do like that. Audio Sonic, you can create text to audio inside Writesonic. It has a bot Sonic, so it's just an AI chatbot inside Writesonic. Bulk Generated has a photo Sonic, so you can create AI images with Writesonic as well. And this tool is coming a long way, guys. They are frequently updating their platform. There's all sorts of other templates you can do. If I click View All Templates, Facebook ads, Google ads, email templates, product descriptions, TikTok, YouTube. I mean, all sorts of things here with Writesonic. So I am on that $19 a month plan, and we'll see where I go from there. So guys, the next AI tool I'm paying for is SEO Writing AI, and I made several videos about this tool, and I'm really in love with this tool and what it can do for long form content creation. So I am on the annual plan for $144 a year, which amounts to $12 a month. I do have a special discount link below this video too, guys, for SEO Writing AI if you are interested, with a special discount of up to 25% off. So if you're interested in long form content creation, this is the best tool that I've used yet to get the highest quality output. So you'll see here $144 a year, which means I get 100,000 words a month. So then it just regenerates after every month. So you can do one-click blog posts, which is a feature that I use most often. You'll see all the inputs here of what you can do. You can give it specific details. You can add certain models now. This was a recent update they made with the types of models you can use, article size, tone of voice. It generates AI images, which is a great feature. You can add more long tail keywords. You can give it certain structure inputs. You can also connect it to the internet. So I can source links from both real-time search results, real-time news results. I can also input specific URLs. If I see articles that I really like, it can scrape those. And what I also like about this is it has a WordPress plugin. So if I click, my WordPress plugin and I install it, I can integrate this straight to my website at AIinsidertips.com. So it pulls in my categories here. I can put it in draft. I can publish it. I can schedule it. And I can just simply publish content directly to my website from this AI tool via a WordPress plugin integration. And I think that's pretty cool, as I've yet to see that. You can also integrate your OpenAI API key if you want to do that. This is a new feature called the Outline Editor, where they just added this new outline editor. I'm going to have to do more research and details on this one. But the main reason why I like this tool, guys, if you click up here on what's new, they are constantly updating this. This is one of the few AI tools in the content creation space that is frequently updating their platform to get it the best that they possibly can. So, and how do I know this? Or if you click roadmap, it shows all the things that are complete, in progress, plans. You can, if you have an issue you want to request, you can make your own feature request. I've been in contact with the owner of this tool, and I'm just very impressed by what SEO Writing AI always has down the pipeline and is releasing. There's other features here. This bulk article creation is very good. They have a different blog post template here, product review, editor, how-to guide. So if you're in the market for creating long-form SEO optimized content, SEO Writing AI should be at the top of your list to test out. So that's another one that I use, guys, is SEO Writing AI. One I recently purchased, and I won't dive into this, I have a full video in greater detail, is Grock AI. So Grock AI was released to the public about a week or two ago, which is Elon Musk's AI chatbot to compete with ChatGPT+. It does cost $16 a month to use this. And I don't know if I'm sold yet, guys, to be honest. I'm still testing it. I might keep it for another month. But when testing against Google Gemini, GPT-4, we'll see where Grock goes. Now, I'm still optimistic that Grock is going to figure it out. But right now, I cannot justify a $16 a month investment just for Grock AI. So I just want to let you guys know about that. If the AI chatbot improves, I think the $16 a month might be worth it. But at this very moment, I just want to let you guys know that I cannot pay $16 a month to justify Grock. Google Gemini and GPT-4 produce better outputs right now. The other tool that I want to show you is Opus Clip. So I have a lot of long form videos out there of podcasts that I've been on, my own podcast here called The Marketing Quacks. And what this tool does is you can drop a YouTube link, you can drop an MP4 link, a podcast link, and then it clips it up into all these short form clips. So this was a recent podcast I was on, and it clips, and I just, literally gave it the YouTube link to the full hour-long video, and it creates about 20 to 25 short form clips from 30 to 60 seconds. You can do it up to a minute. You can schedule it, you can integrate it with all your platforms, and it even gives you what's called a virality score. So it then, dissects that long form piece of content, not only generates a vertical format and adds engaging subtitles, but then it also generates a score and then ranks it here in my interface of what it thinks has the best chance to go viral on social media. So you'll see here, this
most people I talk to, especially on this podcast, if you're to this far listening, everyone struggles with it.
I mean, it's just really cool what this tool can do. And for $19 a month, I've really, found the ROI in something like this, versus think about all the manual labor or even paying someone else to just take a long form video, chop it up in vertical format, not only spend hours looking for the best clips and what, this person or whatever the tool thinks that it has a chance to go the most viral. This just saves me so much time, and the quality is there. Now, not every clip is going to be amazing. Obviously, that's just with any AI tool. But for $19 a month, you do get, I believe, up to 4 hours of clipped content that you can use. And the best part is, guys, is you can schedule this and integrate it with your social account. So I have it integrated here with my AI Insider Tips YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, my LinkedIn if I want to post content on LinkedIn. And if I go to my shorts here, you'll see all these different YouTube shorts. This came directly published from Opus Clip. So I'm not actually physically uploading these videos, downloading videos, doing the titles, the descriptions. I'm publishing it straight from Opus Clip, which saves me time again. So Opus Clip so far is worth the investment of $19 per month to create these short form clips from long form content. The last tool here is Adobe Firefly. Now, Adobe Firefly is a high quality AI text to image generator. So I'll just do a quick example here. Let's do Christmas trees, something extremely simple. And this is just the interface here. Adobe Firefly has been out for a while now, guys. It had a big upgrade several months ago to a Firefly 2. But you'll see here, just some great images of Christmas trees, just a high quality AI text to image generator. It did come in my subscription with Adobe Photoshop. So I see why not use it if I'm already paying for it to some extent. So Adobe Firefly is another one that I'm using. So one I'm actually looking to purchase or invest in the future once I'm off the wait list is called Pika. So they just had a big 1.0 update. This is AI text to video generation, and there's already tools out there that exist, but they're all low quality in my opinion. So I've seen some videos on Pika. I'm very curious and anxious to test this out. I'm probably just going to do hopefully a free trial or just a month-to-month plan to test and see if I like it. But this is one that's been on my radar, is Pika 1.0. But that's it, guys. Again, just a different style of video. I just wanted to be completely transparent of what AI tools I'm spending money on for my business every month. I just gave you a quick deep dive of why I spend money on each tool, how much each tool costs, and just my reasoning behind the investment in these AI tools. Now, if you guys have any further tools that you're spending money on for your business, please let me know in the comments below. And again, this is Ryan. I appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to subscribe if you found any value in this type of content. And guys, I hope you all have a great day.